Welcome to this tutorial on troubleshooting common issues when accessing a Linux server using sshsftp. But if you're a system administrator or a developer who works with Linux servers, chances are you've encountered problems connecting to your server at some point. In this video, we'll explore the possible reasons behind these connectivity issues and walk you through a step-by-step process to resolve them. Are you struggling to access your Linux server via SFTP? Don't worry. You're not alone. With so many moving parts involved in setting up a secure connection, it's easy to overlook something. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools needed to troubleshoot and fix common connectivity problems. Let's dive into the possible reasons why you might be experiencing issues accessing your Linux server using sshsftp. Firstly, one of the most common culprits is incorrect login credentials or permissions. Make sure that your username and password are correct and that your account has the necessary permissions to access the server. Another issue could be related to network connectivity. Ensure that your local machine can reach the Linux server by pinging it or checking the IP address. Firewalls can also block SFTP connections. Check if there are any firewall rules blocking incoming connections on port 22, which is the default SSH port. Next, let's talk about SSH key authentication. If you're using SSH keys for authentication, ensure that they are correctly set up and not expired. Lastly, it's essential to check the server-side configuration files, such as shdconfig, for any errors or misconfiguration. To help illustrate these concepts better, imagine trying to enter a secure building with multiple checkpoints. Just like how you need to have the right keycard, valid ID, and clearance level to gain access, your SSH client needs to provide the correct credentials, navigate through firewalls, and comply with server-side security policies. By understanding each of these potential bottlenecks, you can methodically troubleshoot and eliminate them one by one until you find the root cause of your connectivity issue. Before we wrap up, here are the essential points to remember. Double-check your login credentials and permissions. Verify network connectivity between your local machine and the Linux server. Check for any firewall rules blocking incoming SSH connections. Ensure SSH key authentication is correctly set up if you're using keys. Review server-side configuration files for errors or misconfigurations. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to resolving common connectivity issues with your Linux server. That's it for today's tutorial. We hope this video has provided you with a solid understanding of how to troubleshoot and fix SSH connectivity problems when accessing your Linux server. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them in the section below. Your feedback is invaluable in helping us create more content that's relevant and useful to you. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you solve a nagging issue, and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials and explanations on a wide range of topics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.